Welcome to 76 Clark Hill Road in Prospect. Here we have something a little unique. What is better than one house in Prospect? Two houses in Prospect.
This property spans over 2 acres with 1.64 acres in Prospect and another 0.39 acres in the great town of Naugatuck.
To my right and to my left, we have a dozen apple trees. This place really shines in the spring. Beautiful property, and you have 2 separate houses. Let's go check them out. Bring your creative touch and your imagination. Finish these how you like and make it your own. Here on the left side home, you have 2 bedrooms upstairs. This great living room with real hardwood floors, cool archways on the doors, 1 full bath, a dining room, your eating kitchen, and the breezeway connects you to the oversized 2-car garage that leads to the other house. So we're gonna go check that out next. This giant 2-car garage has an oversized door so you can fit in even the biggest trucks, super high ceilings, and right through the door to the right, we go into the other house. What a perfect investment setup or for multi-generational living. It's really a unique opportunity that you don't often see. So let's go look at that house next. Here in the right side home, we have this great bedroom upstairs, all new windows. It even has a fireplace, dual closets, cathedral ceilings. Follow me down the hall this way, and there is a giant living room or a second primary suite that also has a little deck off of it. This is the second room upstairs, huge potential living room, office, or primary suite. Also leads out to a little deck to the backyard. Great natural woodwork, awesome setup. Gotta come and see it. Bring your creativity, bring your imagination. It could be an amazing investment. So here on the main level of the right-hand home, we have a great living room, wood-burning fireplace. It's open to the kitchen. You have another bathroom here. And again, you will see that same gleaming wood trim everywhere. It's great. It just needs you to come and finish it. What an awesome investment. 2 full houses, 1 beautiful lot. Think about the possibilities, live in one, rent the other, or bring everybody and have room for everybody. Don't wait, give me a call, my number's below. Let's go see it and start planning.